Contact our salesperson for DL400Pro update file and click the file to start download. Plug the USB drive into your computer USB porter. Make sure the format of USB driver is FAT32. Right-click the USB driver disk and click Properties in the popped-up menu. You can see if the format is FAT32. If the format is not FAT32, you can right-click the USB driver and click Format in the popped menu. Just select FAT32 in the second column. Other options remain default. Start format. Close the pop-up window after format done. Click to open the WeChat file and right-click the file. Choose Extract All in the pop-up menu. Click Browse and select USB storage, then start to extract. Then we can close all the windows and move to the next step. Plug the USB driver into DL400Pro. Connect a power cable. DL400Pro will update automatically. Wait a few minutes. Just wait for it to update all files. Press the Recover button to check the system version information. Now we have updated DL400Pro to the latest version.